In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Salesforce free trial account. First, open your browser and go to salesforce.com. Next, in the home page of Salesforce, hover over the Login button at the top right of the page. You'll see Salesforce products like Marketing Cloud or Salesforce. I'll choose Salesforce. Then, in the window that appears, click on Try for Free at the bottom of the screen. Salesforce will ask you to provide your information for the free trial. Fill in your details, including your name, work email, company name, and job role. After that, click Start My Free Trial. Salesforce will send a verification email to your inbox. Open the email and click Verify Account. Salesforce will ask you to change your password, enter your new password, confirm it, then choose your security question, write your answer, and then hit Change Password. After that, Salesforce will ask you some questions to better your experience, so just fill them and hit Submit. Your Salesforce free trial account is now ready to use. And that's it. That's how you create a Salesforce free trial account. Thanks for watching.